Understanding the Oscilloscope, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating device called an oscilloscope. This tool is crucial in electronics and engineering, but what exactly is it? Let's dive in and find out together. An oscilloscope is a device used in science, especially in fields like electronics and physics. Its main function is to display and analyze the waveform of electronic signals. Imagine it as a screen that shows you what electrical signals look like in real time. The oscilloscope has evolved over time. It began as a simple device with a cathode ray tube, like old TV screens, and has progressed to modern digital versions. This evolution reflects advancements in technology and our understanding of electronics. At its core, an oscilloscope takes electrical signals and converts them into visible patterns on a screen. These patterns, or waveforms, show how signals change over time. By analyzing these waveforms, scientists and engineers can learn a lot about how electrical devices function. There are several types of oscilloscopes, like analog and digital. Analog oscilloscopes were the first type, displaying real-time signals. Digital oscilloscopes, on the other hand, offer more features like saving waveforms for later analysis. Oscilloscopes have a wide range of applications. They are used in medical devices, automotive testing, telecommunications, and more. They help in diagnosing problems, designing new devices, and ensuring the proper functioning of electronic equipment. So, that's a brief overview of the oscilloscope. It's an essential tool for anyone interested in electronics and engineering. I hope this video has been enlightening and has sparked your interest in learning more about this fascinating device. Thank you for watching.